Yes,
Shivani,
Manasvi, I think I just demonstrated, Manasvi, I think I just demonstrated that opposition has been shooting off in thin air. They don't know what they have a problem with. They don't know what is not factual according to them. Nobody can articulate exactly what is the confusion in them. So I give you the opportunity once again. We've got Abhijit on the other side. You pose your question and you pose your doubt. And I will have Abhijit respond to it. Abhijit is one of those experts and journalists, by the way, who's been maintaining there has been no incursion or occupation of Indian territory as it stands across our side of the LAC. By the way, let me remind you, all of it is our territory. Let's not forget that. On the other side of the LAC also. India has not given up claim on that. But we are talking about the LAC right now. What is it that you object to, Manasvi, as far as the Prime Minister's statement is concerned?
Thank you, Shivani ji, for your question. So, basically, the entire country is in confusion as of now because we don't have a clarity, and the clarity comes from the Prime Minister's office, the Government of India's office, Ministry of External Affairs statement, which both are, Shivani ji, please let me make my point, are not in sync. Right now, we don't know what is the status. So, this status has to come from the Prime Minister's office. We cannot ask the Congress or the opposition to give us the status. We don't have the status. We don't know the situation. They are supposed to tell us the situation. I'll tell you one more example. There was a news report few days back that 10 soldiers were given back by the Chinese to our country. So when were they taken? My question is, when were they taken? That was never reported. So we need to have a complete clarity. Maybe the government believes that right now it's not the time to trust the opposition or the people of this country. The country believes in the Prime Minister and the government. The government needs to believe in the people of this nation and believe in the questions. So the questions are very relevant when Ministry of External Affairs makes a statement wherein they said they have made structures in our Galwan side area. So this statement is completely opposite to what the Prime Minister have said. They have never come to our side of Galwan area. So these statements need to be checked out. So why is there a sense of confusion in the own ministries of the Prime Minister? There has to be a single flow of information.
Stop now.
Can I just come in here, Shivani?
Okay.
Look. The Prime Minister made...
Yes, Abhijit, you respond. Abhijit, you know the controversy that has been raked up because of the Prime Minister's statement. Please respond.
Right. And it's basically a storm in a teacup, and I'll tell you why. The Prime Minister was very, very clear that there is no occupation on, there are no ongoing intrusions, and the Chinese are not in possession of 1 square inch of territory on our side of the LAC. The confusion that a lot of these people are sort of trying to project is because he seemed to imply that we had gone into China. If you actually look at the satellite imagery, or at least the Chinese side of the LAC, if you actually look at the satellite imagery, it shows you nothing except that the status quo is as is. However, there are certain facts we need to understand. Till the 17th of June, that is to say 2 days after this tragic episode happened, the Galwan for a whole month had been blocked up. On the 18th, the Chinese dismantled the dam and now water is flowing full flow out there. I suspect what happened is, we cannot prove this because we do not have live satellite imagery, we only have sequential satellite imagery, is that our troops went in some form or way to dismantle the structure. This is the structure, the so-called structure being referred to repeatedly both by the EAM, by the Foreign Minister and by the Prime Minister. Today's statement, the clarification to the mischievous misrepresentation of the Prime Minister's statement, also is very, very carefully worded. Let me just read out quickly the relevant section. As regards the transgression of the LAC, it was clearly stated that the violence in Galwan on 15th June arose because the Chinese side was seeking to erect structures just across the LAC and refused to desist from such actions.
So why is there, Shivani ji, why is there a confusion
sorry, can I please
with
finish?
MEA?
Manasvi,
Why their statement does not match the statement of the Prime Minister?
Can I please
why
finish?
Why
Manasvi,
can't
can I please finish? I did not interrupt you. Please do not interrupt me. Yeah, what is this here? Okay.
I'm not
So
interrupting. I'm
notice
just
out
adding.
here.
If you can answer that also, it is not interruption. It is asking questions. You are an
Wait,
expert.
let me
So
first
I'm
finish my
asking you a
point. I
question.
can't hear you if you're going to keep talking over me. I didn't hear a word of
Let
what
him
you just
finish.
said. Okay, let me finish and then ask me your second question. So, it does not. It is in fact very clearly avoiding mentioning where this structure was on which side of the LAC. Now, understand this. If we crossed over the LAC for this very important thing, remember, most of our rivers originate in the Tibetan Plateau, at least our northern rivers. So there was a very important precedent here of upper riparian rights and the weaponization of water. And the Prime Minister simply can't admit that. I'm sorry, Manasvi, but if you're seeking clarity on that, you want the Prime Minister to say, yes, we tried to go in and stop construction on the Chinese side of the LAC, even if it's Indian territory, you're not going to get it. Okay, and this is a classic catch-22 situation
Abhijit
because
ji,
they
the-
know exactly
so
what has
who's
happened.
going to give us
There
the
will be
clarity?
enough army sources that have
So
told
if
them
there
what
is
has
no
happened,
clarity,
and
obviously
they are now
confusion is
trying
going
to
to be there.
create this into a catch-22 situation where you'll either say ये डरपोक है अंदर नहीं गया
Abhijit ji,
नहीं
if
तो
there
फिर
is
ये
no
war
clarity
monger है
coming
इसने
out, there is
अंदर
going to
जाकर
be
World War III
confusion.
शुरू
We
कर
need to
दिया.
end the air of confusion. And if not the
There
government,
is no
then who's going to
confusion,
answer our
Manasvi.
confusions?
There is
Okay,
no
can I
confusion.
come in now?
I'm sorry, but you know the problem
come in
is
now?
there's a whole bunch of
Precisely.
journalists
What is
here
the
up for
confusion? There
pay
is no
who are going
confusion that
around
any of
spinning
us
this in
have.
all kinds of ways. And not
Abhijit
one of
ji,
them has been
why
able to provide
Shivani ji,
satellite
let me
imagery.
respond to
Not
this.
Abhijit,
Why
I want to come
confusion
in.
would
Not
come
one,
because of
Manasvi,
the
not
silence since
one
last 40
person.
days of the government.
Not one
That is why
person
the
has been
air
able
of
to provide
confusion
satellite
has come.
imagery.
If the
Right
government
now,
would
the
have come on the
Australians
first
are
day itself
saying
that there is
exactly
an
what we have
intrusion from the
said.
Chinese
Nathan
side
Ruza
and we
from the
need to curb
Australian
it.
Strategic Policy
Abhijit ji,
Institute
let me
has
make
backed
a
up
point now.
everything the
Why is
government
there a
has been saying.
confusion? I would like to tell you
Now,
because
the
since last 40 days
Australians
the
are not
government
in
was
Modi's
silent
pocket.
to have a dialogue with the opposition or the people of this nation, wherein we could have a discussion that there is a problem in our borders. The Chinese are trying to
Manasvi.
invade and Chinese are trying to intrude. So we
Manasvi,
need to
don't change
have an
the
understanding.
goalpost.
So because there was
Manasvi,
no
don't
statement
change
from
the
the government,
goalpost.
that is why
Manasvi,
the
I
air
will
of
have to get
confusion
your audio
rose.
reduced if you don't
wanted
listen
a
to the questions I'm asking.
Not crossing the aisle.
Please don't.
Crossing the aisle
Don't
is a
change the
different
goalpost
argument. We
right
can have
now.
that
The
separately.
goalpost
This
is
is
not
about
whether the opposition has been.
deliberately
I listen to you,
misreading what the
Shivani.
Prime
I'm
Minister
listening.
said.
I'm all ears, Shivani ji.
Abhijit, 1 second. Abhijit, 1 second. Yes, Manasvi, the goalpost is not that the opposition and everybody can come together and jointly decide national security issues. I'm sorry to say that it's doesn't work like this. The government in power decides.
Agreed.
Okay, that's separate. This discussion is focused on the questions that have been raised. Now you are saying there is confusion, there is confusion, there is confusion. I am only trying to understand from all of you what is your confusion. Can you give me without rhetoric one single point of confusion you have? Abhijit has clarified and the Prime Minister's statement makes it very clear that there was an attempted intrusion, let's say, or the Chinese were not respecting the space of patrolling between finger point 4 to finger point 8. You understand that the LAC is not a definitive line. There are perceptions that India and China disagree on. Now, as Abhijit rightly pointed out, a structure was sought to be made by the Chinese, India opposed to that structure.